Lesson 7, Curse 1. I'm Claudia, your Italian teacher, and I'm very happy to see you here again today. So today's lesson is about animals. Gli animali. Gli animali. So we have never seen gli before. That's an article as well. It's plural and it's actually masculine. So it's used with masculine and plural words. Okay? So let's start with the cat. Il gatto. Il gatto. Il, masculine article for a masculine word. The dog. Il cane. Il cane. Perfect. The bird. L'uccello. L'uccello. So here, once again, the article is lo. But as the word starts with a vocal, you delete the O and you put an apostrophe. L'uccello. So it's a masculine word. Okay? The elephant. L'elefante. L'elefante. And here we have the same situation. So the L with an apostrophe, that was for lo. Then we have the lion, il leone. Il leone. Perfect. The bear, l'orso. L'orso. Very good. The horse, il cavallo. Il cavallo. Perfect. The tiger, la tigre. So it's a feminine word. La tigre. Very good. The bull, il toro. Il toro. Perfect. The turtle, la tartaruga. That's a long word. La tartaruga. Perfect. Then we have the pig, il maiale. Il maiale. You see, as we have seen with the alphabet, the letter I is pronounced as I. Maia. And then the letter E at the end is always pronounced as E in Italian. Il maiale. Okay? Perfect. The cow, la mucca. La mucca. Perfect. Then we have the sheep, la pecora. La pecora. Very good. The duck, la papera. La papera. Perfect. And then let's add a few words. For example, to run, correre. Correre. To walk is camminare. We're gonna do the verb in details in the next lessons, okay? Camminare is to walk. Then, to jump, saltare. Saltare. Perfect. And let's add just a couple of adverbs. You're gonna see where we're going to. Fast is velocemente. Velocemente. And that's the adverb, okay? If you're looking for the adjective, that would be veloce. It's a fast car. È una macchina veloce. The car runs fast. La macchina corre velocemente. Okay? And slowly. Slowly is lentamente. Lentamente. Perfect. So let's do a small exercise. As you see here, you have some sentences with a few blank spaces. What you have to do is to add in the first blank space the name of the animal and then the following like adverb among the ones that we have done today. Okay? Just pause the video, take your time to complete the exercise and then resume it, okay? Because I'm going to reveal some possible solutions. Okay, time to do the exercise. Okay, so how did you do it? Was it easy? So here are some examples. La tartaruga cammina lentamente, for example. The turtle walks slowly. Second sentence, il cane corre velocemente. The dog runs fast. Okay? And then the last one, il gatto salta. The cat jumps. Okay, how was it? Try to do like some of these kinds of sentences with other animals and with the same adverbs. Okay? Perfect. So let's review all the vocabulary we have seen today. As usual, please repeat right after me. Gli animali. Il gatto. Il cane. L'uccello. L'elefante. Il leone. L'orso. Il cavallo. La tigre, il toro, la tartaruga, il maiale, la mucca, la pecora, la papera, the verbs, correre, camminare, saltare, and finally the adverbs. Velocemente, and its opposite, lentamente. Okay, so how was this lesson? Was it easy or was it a little bit more difficult? In either case, complimenti. Congratulations. You have just finished your 7th Italian lesson, and I'm very proud of your progress. I'm looking forward to continuing this journey with you. Have a great day. Grazie. Ciao.